what moves to make on the Rubik's Cube is described by cube notation. The most common letters that you see are these ones, and these stand for right, left, up, down, front, and back. Each letter means to turn that side clockwise as if you're facing it. So R would mean to face the right side and to turn clockwise like this. L would mean to face the left side and to turn clockwise like this. What's interesting is that they actually go in different directions. In fact, they go in opposite directions. So you have to be careful not to think that R and L go in the same direction. Instead, you think that they each mean a clockwise turn. U would be this, and D would be this. F would be this, and B would be this. The apostrophe in cubing means prime, and this means to go in the opposite direction. So R would be this, meaning go clockwise, and R prime would be this, which is going in the opposite direction of R. So you can think that prime is going anti-clockwise, since without the apostrophe, it means to turn clockwise. 2 means to turn the side twice, or to do a 180-degree turn. So R2 would look like this, or R2 could look like this. Whichever direction would still result in the same outcome. Next we have are the slice layers. This being the M layer, this being the E layer, and this being the S layer. For these, you can't just face it and turn clockwise. So instead, the rule is you follow the same direction as the one nearest to it in the alphabet. For example, the M layer is between L and R. It's closer to the letter L, so it follows the same direction as L. So M looks like this. E is between U and D, and the nearest letter to E is D, so E looks like this, while E prime looks like this. S is between F and B. S follows F because it's the nearest letter, so S looks like this, and S prime looks like this. If you see a small case letter, for example here is R, or a big letter, an uppercase letter followed by a W, it means to turn 2 layers at once, so it will look like this. There are 3 types of cube rotations in cubing: X, Y, and Z. If you see X, it follows R, so R goes like this, so X would go like this, which means that you'll be facing the bottom instead of the front. X prime follows R prime, so R prime would look like this, but the whole cube at once will look like this. So instead of facing the green, you're now facing the white, which is the top layer. Y follows same direction as U, so U goes like this, so Y would go like this. Y prime will follow the same direction as U prime, so it'll look like this. Z follows the same direction as F, so instead of turning this way, you would turn it the whole cube this way.